Hi everyone, welcome back. What are the top 4 pies for the 4th of July? I'm going to tell you all about it. So what are our top 4 bestsellers for the 4th of July holiday? The 4th is French silk. Guys, it's full of butter, so be careful that you don't take it to a 90-degree outdoor party, but it'll go pretty fast, so it's probably okay. The 3rd bestseller is cherry pie. We'll have plenty of cherry pies. Our number 2 bestseller, Michigan 4-berry, which is really strange. It's unusual because it usually comes in number 1. But last year and the year before and the year before that, we decided to put our apple pies on sale for $2 off. And again, this year, all of our apple pies will be $2 off. That'll be our number 1 seller, whether you like double crust apple pie or Dutch apple, and even the caramel nut apple, and that's a big favorite too. So what pies are you going to bring to your 4th of July parties? All right, now July 26th, you know what that day is. It's our 2nd largest, busiest day of the year. Thanksgiving is number 1. CAD Day, July 26th, which is Customer Appreciation Day, is really big for us, all 6 stores. All fruit pies will be $12 along with the chicken pot pie. So you can pre-order your Customer Appreciation Day pies online. There's a link below. Go ahead, I don't care how many you order them up and we'll have them ready for you. Maybe you want to treat the whole office. All right, so next week I'm thinking about creating a video about my experience at the Whole Foods headquarters in Austin, Texas. So we flew out there a couple weeks ago and I'd like to tell you all about what happened at that meeting. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and every Wednesday we post a new video where we talk about all things pie. All right, you guys, until next time, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. So our number 1 pie, did you see that fly? I felt it land right here on my cheek.